What is up, guys? Coming to you live from South Florida. We're in West Palm Beach out here at Copart. Major shout out to corporate and the local facility for getting us in out here. And I just wanted to show you guys maybe one or two cool cars kind of as a bonus video. I don't see a lot of these. Well, we'll get into it here in just a second. I was saying, I don't see a lot of these. We got a McLaren 570S right here. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, it doesn't have any keys. It's being offered by an auto sales company. I don't see any damage per se yet. Anyways, I do see that they have all of the windows wrapped closed. I don't see any damage to the rims. I don't know. This has got to be flood damaged or something. You can see inside through here. They were asking if we wanted to take the wrap off, and I said no. I just wanted to take a quick look at the car. It's not that serious. But this one was definitely used on the tow hook. Loss type is unknown. It is a 16 McLaren 570S. Beautiful car. To be honest, it really is. Really pretty car. Don't know what the situation is with it or why it's here, but whew. I'm gonna guess. What do you guys want to guess? Flood car? Y'all think it's a flood car? I'm guessing flood. I see the check mark. It doesn't run. There's no keys. I'm gonna guess flood car. That's my guess. That would be my guess. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this McLaren 570S in those comments down below. Super cool, man. Super cool. Next, we got a 2017 Bentley McLaren, which has seen better days. I mean, say it with me. This one is completely and utterly smashed. I'm talking about completely smashed, guys. This fender at least broke away. The door might be savable, but you're looking at a fender, the entire front fascia, any engine damage, the hood, and you hit something hard, man. I mean, whew, man, crazy looking, this McLaren. Cut something right down into the door. Damn. Sitting on airbags. Wow. I mean, to hit something and then have something rip the side like that, that can't be a positive, right? Oh, man. Ouch. Ouch to the ouch, 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 right? That's what I'd say. Ouch. Next, guys, we have my wheelhouse, and I love this. This is a BMW M850, and it's not an M8. You know, I mean, they're pretty much the same car, if I'm being honest. 20 BMW M850 Xi, all-wheel drive. Yeah. Super clean. No damage on this side either. You know, down here in South Florida, you do get a lot of flood cars, guys. Especially if you're in Miami. I don't know where you live. Like, it's a thing, man. It's definitely a thing. Whew. Man. Sad to see this one here already, man. And this is what, a 19? That's a 20. It's a 20. Let you guys get a good brief look at the interior. You see that M850 on the door. Oh, see that as a door now. Ooh, it smells like ass in here, boy. Whew. Damn, smelling like ass and feet, man. Why you got to do that? Damn ass and feet smell in here. Oof. Yeah, it's a flood car, for sure. Interior looks very similar to what mine looks like, as far as like the dash, center stack, stuff like that. Huh. This has got Bang It. Oh, Bowers and Wilkins. As I said, them grills on the speakers look like Bang & Olufsen, but Bowers and Wilkins. All right, I see you. Oh, here you go, guys. BMW M850. Right there. Boom. And I'd be remiss if I didn't show you guys this next Bentley right here. What is this, Continental? Yeah, 16 Continental, 22,000 miles. You know what's crazy? The newer Bentleys do have the newer updated taillights, but you know, if you're trying to ball on a budget, oh, this one got hit in the rear. Ooh, that's what totaled it, huh? Look at that damage. Broken pieces here, the dent and whatnot right here. Yeah, that's what did it. Not bad though. That could definitely be fixed, 100%. But you know, you could buy one of these older Bentley Continental GTs. You could be balling on a budget. People don't know these cars like that unless they know Bentleys. Where you could be rolling one of those for 30 grand, you know, and you be looking like you doing the damn thing, you know. So, let me know what you guys think about this Bentley in the comment section down below. Y'all want to see the interior, I guess, right? That Corvette seen better days. Whew. That's pretty. I don't even want to get in here with my dusty ass feet. Look at that, man. Beautiful, beautiful. I will give Bentley that. I remember when I saw the Bentayga, I was like, Jesus. The interior, man, they really do that attention to detail stuff really solid. Huh. Well, guys, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All the lot numbers are on the windows, guys. Pause the video, write the lot number down if you want to check them out. All right, last but not least, we're going to go check this out. We're going to check out this, what is this? The Rolls-Royce what? I don't know what they call the convertible. I'm not really a Rolls-Royce guy, even though it is a BMW. It's a Rolls-Royce Dawn with 22,000 miles on the clock. 22,000 miles. Pretty clean. I don't see any damage on the exterior. Probably another flood car. And you guys will be like, they got that many down here? Listen, man, if the tide changes too fast down here and people don't get out of the way, yes, these cars get completely totaled out, man. Suicide door on deck. This thing is butter, man. Look how clean this damn thing is. Absolutely beautiful. Do got to give them that. Even though they use like the iDrive system and everything else. She's super clean, man. Super, super damn clean. Let me know what you guys think about the Rolls-Royce Dawn in the comments section down below. I gotta be honest, this thing is kind of nice. Kind of like it. I really do. I kind of like this. No, I'm not buying one. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's walk around. I know, very short video, but hopefully I kept you engaged for the whole thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. We got new long walk arounds dropping all next week. Some more videos on the Petty Roosevelt, 2 videos on the Green Monster, and 1 video on the Purple Heart. All things that you guys have asked for. And maybe, just maybe, something on the GTO.